How to remove song from Instagram post. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that your Instagram application is updated to its latest version on the device. So let's go and search for it. So as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version on the device. So I'm just going to tap and open and it will lead me to the home page of Instagram. So now let's go to our profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then you'll be able to see different posts over here. So here I've just shared a post over here, a reel basically. So here you can see the music that I've used. Now to remove the song from Instagram post, what I can do is tap on the three dotted lines beside the post, and here you can see the option of edit. Now as I tap on edit, there's no direct way or there's no option of removing the song from this Instagram post. Now let's see on advanced settings. Even here we cannot see any option to remove the song. So it is basically said that we cannot remove the song from an Instagram post directly by the Instagram support itself. So what we can do is we can just tap on the three dotted lines and remove this post from the profile grid, which will automatically remove the post and the song from the profile. But you can always get back the post from the Instagram recycle bin, but there's no direct way to remove song from the Instagram post until yet. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.